student, class 10, and in today's session again I will teach you chapter 13, surface areas and volume. Already we have discussed the formulas and question number 1. So today we are starting with the question number 2. Now see what is the question number 2. Open your book exercise 13.1 and see question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemispherical mounted by a hollow cylinder. Vessel is in the shape of a hollow hemisphere. See, this is a hemispherical part and it is mounted by a cylindrical part that is also hollow. See this figure, and what is given? The diameter of the hemispherical part. This is the total diameter. This is the diameter of hemispherical part and this is the diameter of cylindrical part. Both are same here given. So we will write here diameter of hemispherical part is 14 centimeter. Then radius of hemispherical part is equal to diameter by 2. So we will divide this 14 by 2. It becomes 7 centimeter. Now also the total height of the vessel is given. This is the total height of the vessel. It is given as 13 centimeter. But see here very carefully, the radius is 7 centimeter. So this height is also 7 centimeter. So you will subtract this height. 13 minus 7 means height of hemispherical part. It becomes 6 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Listen student, we have to find out the total surface area of this vessel as shown in the figure. Now the total surface area of the vessel is inner surface area of this part, that is the hemispherical part, and the inner surface area of the cylindrical part. You have to learn the formula, and some of you have also learned. So what is the inner surface area of hemispherical part? It is 2 pi r square. It is 2 pi r square, and inner surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi rs. That is we will write the formula and we will take it as 2 pi r. We can take common r also. It becomes 2 pi r plus h, and you will put the values. 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. R is 7 here. Again R is 7 and height is 6. Put this value and you can solve. You will get it becomes 572 centimeters square. And listen me student, you have to do these question in the notebook. Now I am taking the question number 3. The question number 3 is a toy is in the form of a cone of radius. Now what is in the question number 3? See here. First of all, I will draw the figure and then I will explain the question. What is here? Question is a toy is in the form of a conical. Means a cone is here and radius is given hemispherical. Cone is mounted on a hemispherical part. What is here? A cone is mounted by a, or we can draw it as, firstly we will draw a hemisphere, then upper part is the cone. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cone is same. This is the height of cone and this is the slant height of cone. In case of hemisphere, both height and radius are same, and what is given here? Radius of cone is. Now write down, see the solution. Firstly write down what is given in the question. Radius of cone r, it is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now next is on a hemisphere of radius same. So radius of hemisphere is also r, it is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Again what is given? Total height of the toy. Total height of toy. This is the total height of the toy. It is given as 15.5 centimeter. So we have to find out the height of the cone h. Height of cone h is equal to 15.5 minus, subtract this height. we can take total height as h and subtract this small height, that is 3.5. So it becomes 12.0 centimeter, or we can take it as h dash. The height of the conical part is h dash. Now we have to find out the total surface area of toy. So write down here, total surface area of toy is equal to surface area of hemispherical part plus, what we will take, total surface area of toy, it is equal to the surface area of hemispherical part plus surface area of conical part. So we have to find out the L also here, because in case of formula it is 2 pi r square plus pi r L. So how can we find the L here? So write down L, it is equal to, L is the slant height, so we will write the formula, L is equal to h square plus r square. L is equal to h square plus r square. What is h here? It is 12 square plus 3.5 square. So L is equal to 12 square is 144. You can take the square of 35 and put the decimal, or you can write here 7 by 2 square, or directly now we will use the formula here. So it is equal to, if you will solve it, you will get it as 12.5 centimeter. So how can we find the L? L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. You can use this formula, h square plus r square, put the value 12 square plus 3.5 square. So you will, on solving this, you will get 12.5 centimeter. Okay, you have to do this in the notebook. Now the value of total surface area of this toy, or you can say total surface area of this portion, by putting the values 2 into 22 by 7. Okay, now I am discussing you, the question number 4 is here. You will do one of the question yourself. The question number 4, I am only explaining you. A cubical block of side 7 cm